I'm not gonna ask you again. Okay? Do me a favor. Roll down that window.
No, I don't have to roll my window down over there.
I don't even know who you are.
I'm speaking. You know who I am. I gave you my name. I gave you my birthday, and I gave you my motherfucking.
A quiet voice from a car window. A simple sentence spoken while passing by. That's all it took to turn a peaceful ride into a confrontation. What followed wasn't about danger. It wasn't about crime. It was about control. In a matter of seconds, rights became negotiable. Commands escalated. A citizen pushed into submission, not by law, but by pressure. This moment captures how authority, unchecked, can twist routine into conflict.
A lot of issues with police officers. They take your stuff and then they don't give it back, or they take too long. So
I'm not gonna take your stuff.
I just gonna put it on display for you. That way you can write it down. No, you can write it down. What's your name and badge number? All right. And your badge number? Your badge number?
Hey, sir. MPP and Prairie facing non-emergent.
Your badge number?
601880.
All right. Clearly putting my stuff on display for him. He just don't want to take it.
I can't even see it.
You can write it down, sir.
I'm not gonna write it down.
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
Nope, just when you
Got it on display for you.
Can you go ahead and give it to me, please?
No, I've had problems with too many police officers, so I only put it on display now. I don't hand it over anymore.
What is your name?
It's on here.
I don't know.
It's on here.
What's your name?
James Nelson.
James what?
Nelson.
Date of birth, what address you haven't found? Mr. Nelson, what address you haven't found?
I don't answer any other questions like that.
Why are you making this complicated, dude?
I'm not. I'm just going by the law.
How am I supposed to know who you are if you can't even
I just gave you my name. That's how you know who I
You
am.
have no form of ID.
I just gave you my name. And I'm on the insurance. That's how you. So whatever you find when you run my name, sir, is the address you're gonna get. That is how it's gonna go. That is how it's gonna go, sir.
This is what's gonna happen.
That's how it's gonna go, sir.
Simple traffic stop.
It is very simple.
Okay.
Very, very simple.
You have no form.
I have not failed anything. I've given you my name. I've given you my name, sir. Cause you're lying now.
I'm not lying.
Yeah, you are. You just told me I failed to give you my information.
When you know how to do your job,
I just gave you my information. You just told me I just failed. No, I'm not going to stop talking now, because now you're lying on me, and I don't appreciate that. Yeah, you just told me I just failed, and I just gave it to you.
You don't have. I don't even.
I just gave it. Have to be on the dash. They just ought to have to be out the ignition. That's all. Didn't you tell him non-emergency? Why he come with his lights flaring?
Because he has a right to.
That's right. I guess
Go
so.
ahead, roll down that window too, please.
Nah, I'm speaking to you right here.
Okay. Hey, dude, just stand by with this guy. His family provide any proof.
Badge number, sir. Appreciate it. What's your name and badge number, sir?
Weaver 647-099.
Ah, yo punk ass.
Yeah, it's me.
Oh, bitch ass Weaver.
Yeah.
Ah, got you again.
Sure did.
Bitch ass Weaver. Y'all remember this dude? He's back at it again. I'm going to speak to you a little bit. That's all right with you. Nothing. Your partner, he's lying over there. He's saying I never provided him with the registration and insurance. Is right here. I just didn't want to hand it to him. I've had issues with officers. They don't give stuff back, and then I have to travel down to the police department to get it. So I no longer hand it to people, but I definitely let you take down the information and run it however you need to. He just didn't want to do that. He was being lazy. I gave him my name, my birthday, driver's license, ID number. That's all he wanted to write down. He don't want to write down any of this. So whenever he's ready to write it down, he's more than welcome. I'm not keeping it from him. Weaver, how you been, man?
I've been good. How about yourself?
I've been great.
Did you get your Mercedes back?
What Mercedes?
The black car I told?
What Mercedes?
Was it a Mercedes?
Was it?
I don't know.
You told it. You supposed to remember. You supposed to be good at your job.
That's why it's filed in a report.
You supposed to be good at your job. You tell me what you got.
I deal with a lot of people.
Too bad.
Get that car back or no?
I did.
Okay, it's good. Happy you did.
It's in the shop.
It's good.
Getting some work touched up on it, and I got another one too.
All right. What's your last name again?
I gave it to you. Wrote it on your hand.
Okay. What's your date of birth again?
I gave it all to you,
Okay.
sir.
Well, I can't find you. That's the issue.
That's a lie.
It's not a lie.
Well, I gave it to
What's
you
your driver's
already.
license number? One more time.
I gave it to you. What do you have? And I'll tell you if you got it correct.
I'm not gonna tell you what I have. You can't even tell me yourself.
I gave it to you twice, sir. I got it all on tape. I gave it all to you on tape, sir.
Give it to me one more time.
For what?
Do me a favor. Remove that key from there.
Oh, well, yeah, put it in here so I can roll the window down for this officer like you asked me to do.
Go ahead and roll it down.
Did you not ask me to do it? I rolled it down. I just never took the key back out. Now, I can take the key back out if you would like to.
Roll it down.
It's down.
No, roll it down.
Nah, I'm not rolling it down completely. Oh, so now he wants to reach into my car.
I don't even know who you are.
Look, now he's reaching into my car.
I don't know anything about you.
Look at him. He's reaching into my car, opening my door.
I'm not gonna ask you again. Okay? Do me a favor. Roll down that window.
No, I don't have to roll my window down over there.
I don't even know who you are.
I'm speaking. You know who I am. I gave you my name. I gave you my birthday, and I gave you my motherfucking driver's license number.
Why are you cussing at me?
Because I can. Because now I'm getting irritated. I can curse if I like.
Irritated because I don't know who you are. Why should I care that you're irritated?
I don't care if you care.
Okay then.
I didn't say you had to care.
What is your last name?
I gave you my last name, first name, birthday, and motherfucking driver's license number.
What's your driver's license one more time then?
I gave it to you 2 times.
I need it one more time?
Boom.
38?
Got it. You got it again? God damn, how many times you need it?
Well, I need it several times.
Well, now you have it more than
Let's get
several
one thing
times.
clear.
Now
I
you
can
have it more than
barely
several
get this
times.
helmet
No.
off.
Well, take your helmet off.
I'm
That's
not
your
taking it off.
fault. That's your fault you have to wear a helmet, not my fault.
Dude, why are you cussing?
Because
Why are you
I'm irritated now.
Okay then.
I am irritated now. Shit. How fucking hard is that? Motherfucker, you just opened my goddamn door, you piece of shit. Fuck is wrong with you? You gonna ask me why I'm irritated? Now, is he not doing too much? Do he not have all my information? Did I not just give him my name, date of birth, driver's license number? Now you don't know what you're here? You're right here. See, that's how these police play games. He's right here now. All of a sudden, he didn't witness me give him anything. So you didn't see me give him anything? You didn't hear me give him anything? You just... Oh, now that's your excuse? Okay. So did you hear it?
Nope.
Ah, you didn't hear nothing either. You standing right there behind
I was
him.
behind to the car.
Ah, y'all some shit pieces, man. Y'all some pieces of shit, man. Especially you. We already know you a documented piece of shit. I got all my shit right here. He mad because I won't put it in his hand. I'm not putting it in nobody's hand. I don't trust as far as I can throw you. Kind of heavy, so it don't look like I can throw you pretty damn far. So definitely won't be handing you shit. You already illegally opened my door. You breached the goddamn door. You reached through the window, opened up my goddamn handle, try to force my lock open on this side where the other officer at. I had to hold my lock so that he couldn't just open my other damn door. Could you not lean on my car? It's already dirty. Appreciate it. You too. Thank you. Is your camera rolling?
Of course it is.
Better be. You know I don't like you.
Yeah, I know that.
You don't like me either, huh?
Sir, I really don't care, to be honest with you. I deal with a lot of people worse than you.
Worse than me? Who said I was bad?
You just said.
Who? I never said I
You
was
made the
bad.
assumption that I don't like you.
That don't
Why would I
mean
not
that I'm
like
a bad person because you don't like me.
Why
That don't
would I
mean
not
you're a
like
bad person. I got personal reasons why I don't like you though.
you? Okay, then. I don't have personal reasons why I don't like you.
Okay, that's fine.
I
I do
don't
though.
know you like that, so why would I not like you?
I don't know you like that either, but I don't like how you handle me. So I don't like you. That's simple, right?
All right, do me a favor. You're getting a citation for 3 infractions, okay?
What's the
Unsafe
3
speed,
infractions?
window tint, and no driver's license possession. Sign for me the red box, please.
Give me this, man.
You're gonna get a copy of this.
And also, can you put the tint reader on there? Because you didn't put no tint reader on there.
State of California not have any window tint in the front.
No, you definitely can. It has to be a certain amount of tint.
See you in court. How
It
about
has
that?
to be a certain amount of tint. So are you refusing to put the tint reader on there? Are you refusing to put the tint reader on there?
I'll see you in court.
And also, can I see the reading that you got on the speed reader?
Dude, sign for me right
I am going to sign it. I don't have to sign it at this very moment. I'm asking you questions. Well, it don't matter. I'm asking you questions about the traffic stop, so I don't have to sign it at this very moment. I can ask you questions as well.
One vehicle code.
And I can ask you questions.
Not have any window
I
tint.
can ask you questions.
And I just give you an answer.
And I'm asking you more.
If you're not,
I never said I was going to refuse to sign this. I'm going to sign it just at my leisure.
I just give you an
I'm
answer.
going to sign it at my leisure though, and I have more questions.
Okay, what's
Now,
the question?
what was the tint read? What was the speed read? You got 54 on the 40 with the laser. And how often do you guys
Calibration
the
every 3 years.
calibration?
You just got
Every
calibrated.
3 years?
Yep, you got calibrated.
Nah, I think you got to calibrate that a little more often every 3 years. So we're going to definitely see you in court. And what was your badge number again?
It's right there on the box, sir.
Okay, just making sure I got it all. And why did you reach into my car and open my door?
Because you're failing to provide form of ID. You're failing to
I failed to provide it, or did I give you my information?
failed to provide it for me. You failed to give me
So
the
if
insurance documents.
I know I didn't fail to give you anything. All of this is here. All of this is here. I just failed to put it in your hands. You're right. The law doesn't state I have put it in your hand. It says I have to display it.
Actually, in the state of
Display.
California,
No, it says
that's why
display.
When you have a driver's
No.
license,
I'm talking about these documents. You said what?
we can argue in court. Sign for me red box.
I'm not arguing. I'm asking questions.
Okay, and
it's
I'm
a
done.
big difference.
I'm done giving you answers. Sign for me
Very
red
big
box.
difference. And if I don't sign, then what?
Then we will go see judge today, right now, this morning.
Oh, okay. That's what happened?
Yep.
Well, let me give you some type of signature so I can get you up out your way. All right, you
Thank
ready
you,
to
sir.
go?
Appreciate it. Yep.
You ready to go?
I'm ready to go when you are.
All righty. Soon as I'm ready, I'm going to sign it.
Okay.
Let me read over it.
Go for it. You're gonna get a copy of it too.
I'm going to read this before I sign it, though.
Okay.
That's just, can they not lean on my
All
car?
right,
They're
you're being
professional.
very
Thank
mature.
you, you piece of shit.
You're being very immature.
God damn. No, I'm being whatever I want to be because I'm an adult and I
For a
can do
grown
that.
ass 30-year-old man, you're very mature.
You said what?
For a grown ass 30-year-old, you're very mature.
Could you watch your language?
Nope, I'm not watching my language just like you're not.
You better watch your fucking language.
See what I mean? I
Yeah.
have men-
You're at work, though. I'm not. You're at work. I'm not.
Okay.
It's a big difference. You have to stay professional. I don't.
Common courtesy and professional.
I don't have to have common courtesy. This America. I can say whatever the fuck I want to.
Just like you gave me your answer, that's the same answer.
This is America. I can say whatever the fuck I like.
And you're right. You have the First Amendment.
Right,
to
but
do
you're
that.
at work, so you're supposed to stay professional. You don't supposed to curse at the people of the public.
Sir, can you
You
sign
dumb
the
piece of
red
shit.
box ticket?
I'm reading it. I have a reading problem, so I'm reading it slowly.
Start reading.
I'm reading it slowly, so I can make sure I comprehend what's on here.
Okay.
Piece of shit. So you lied on the ticket and put no insurance? Okay, it looked like you marked it on there. You marked both spots, so I'm not sure what you did. Well, what did you circle? Okay, so why is there a mark on the note? Oh, because you make a lot of mistakes, obviously. Nah, you make a lot of mistakes, obviously. How did you make that mistake when I presented you with the insurance when you first was here? I didn't perfect.
Sir, come on.
No, I'm reading over this ticket because I see errors. I see errors. I don't want to sign this contract.
It's not a contract.
This is contract. If I sign this is me legally. Yes, it is. It's not admitting to guilt, but it's definitely admitting that I will show up. And they got words on here that I don't agree with, like black, and I'm not black. So that's a couple of issues that I'm having as I'm reading this ticket that you didn't want me to read. You just wanted me to sign like some idiot. Fucking dickhead. Alrighty then. You ready to go? Alright, I'm about ready to release you. Just give me a sec. I'm gonna send you on your way. I'm gonna sign this ticket under duress because this officer just told me if I didn't sign the ticket, that he was gonna take me in front of a judge right now. That's what he said. Even though I know I don't have to sign it, I'm gonna still just put a marking on it to say I did something. So this is under duress that I'm gonna just mark it. Yeah, I'm gonna hand it all to you, just at my own leisure. Next time, don't open the citizen's door, you piece of shit.
All right, sir. Well, you take care, okay? You have a good day and stay
Close my fucking door.
Bless, sir.
Close my door, bitch. Shut up, I can put my hand in my pocket. What's your name and badge number? Excuse me, sir. What's your name and badge number? You here?
Are you talking to me?
You.
Huh?
You. What is your name and badge number? All right, I'll come around. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, can I get you guys' name and badge number? You're on the scene. Okay, failure to ID. That's gonna be units SH8686. And over there, I can't really tell his unit number. He's a piece of shit. Why did you let them fail the ID?
You asked him.
All right, well, I'm gonna make a report on him. You fumbling and bumbling?
Stay blessed, sir.
You fumbling and bumbling?
Fumbling and bumbling.
I'm gonna file a complaint on you too for opening my door.
One thing about having perfected.
The car wasn't speeding, the man wasn't a threat, but silence wasn't allowed, and neither was dissent. The officer's ego demanded obedience, not safety, and the law twisted to justify force. These encounters don't begin with violence, they begin with power, unchecked. If this can happen in daylight with cameras rolling, imagine what happens when there are none. This isn't about one driver, it's about the quiet war between rights and authority. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.